Hey dude, somebody left your fridge open. Oh my gosh.
Hey man.
Dude, India is in your refrigerator.
I see it.
This is absolutely crazy.
I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I can't believe I'm gonna do this.
That's the Taj Mahal. We're in India.
This is freaking me
Settle
out.
down, settle down. There has to be...
What do I do?
Perfect.
Let's go. Let's go.
Reason. Where else do you think we can go? Nigeria!
Nigeria? Okay.
Let's shut it and open it and see if it works again. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! It is Nigeria!
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, dude, I'm right behind you.
Because you thought that was real funny, huh?
Dude, you should have saw your face.
Oh my gosh. Where else? Where else? Where else?
Bro, South Korea!
South Korea! South Korea!
Let's do it. All right.
1, 2, 3.
South Korea!
South Korea!
I call first.
Dude, it's a dragon.
Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to see a dragon.
Oh my gosh, it's the coolest thing in the world.
Dude, look how bright it is. Look at all the colors.
I wish there was a place at school where we could see all these different cultures and places.